Did you seriously sit and go?
No, did you?
Are you taking a picture?
You were like, dude, did you? Well, I know you were trying to show me your nuts, but did you really sit and go? Oh my god.
Stuart, did you just have your hand like down here? I don't know what.
Oh, gross! Asian man.
Is that on your boxers?
Dude, did you really?
What's he doing? Laugh? What's he doing? Freaking laugh!
We all have these ridiculous girly laughs.
We do. What's he doing? Did you hear yourself, Ryan? You're like, that's what it sounds like.
I'm trying so hard to change my laugh.
My face is like tickling. It's tingling because I'm laughing so much. That video.
You're not putting this on YouTube. Okay, I want to watch it now.